no love inside my soul, and don't trust nobody, no. But I feel the feelings for you, and I ain't know how to cope. I can't express feelings, I come from stress, killing a thug, oppressed, really. You wasn't impressed, made me see another picture. I always feel like fuck a bitch and fuck a nigga. Don't nobody love a nigga, but you came around and made me feel you really for a nigga. I dance in the rain, but I never had nobody with me. A glance in my pain make me really feel nobody get it. So I'm on this road alone, it's lit and I can't lead you wrong. You the one I really want, but I gotta leave you alone. And I ain't never mean no wrong, I just leave it in this song. Cause this shit here cook it up be quick, why I make no love in it. I see you from a better side of life, and I fuck with it. So I try to make mines right, is this what loving is? I wasted half my life beside the streets, can't get my time back. And I cannot be beat by any means, I gotta grind that. Make me enemies, but I do not mind that. I never had a role model, I was better influence. At least it's what I thought, but wrong they talking, wrong I've been doing. I live my life fast, so the mic I try to vent to it. I just might crash, nobody around, now I get through it. I look at my past, sometimes I don't know how I live through it. My mind fucked up, please take precaution. Cause often I think to myself too much, and it might result in a situation that I try to avoid. See, I don't lie, I'm never trying to change my ways. I don't live that like no more, my nigga. I don't got a thing to show, but that I could grow, my nigga. I could let that banger blow, but what when I get old, my nigga? My kids cannot live dangerous, bro. Look, ain't the thing they told a nigga. Help me on this mission, I'm asking for forgiveness. Cause a nigga reminiscing, and no God is why I'm living.
I'll tell you something right now. There's one guarantee in life, that there are no guarantees. Yeah. And understand this. Yeah. Nobody likes a quitter. Nobody said life was easy, so if you get knocked down, take the standing 8 count, get back up, and fight again. You're a macho maniac. Dig it.
I faced death too many times for me to be alive. I need help from time to time, too real to speak a lie. I lost pretty girl to a whole lot of fuck shit. Ain't know how to love shit, only on that duck shit. Hard up in flames, mine and shackles, real street nigga. It's hard for the change with a name like me, niggas. Even if I did, only gang is what they see. Lost TB in the kid, but if it's me, it'll be me. Lost doing it to a crash, looking back, I had survived mine. Focused on the cash, but question God when it's my time. Expecting the best, but I'm prepared for the worst. See, I ain't stressing, I'm blessed, but it gets hard through the hurt. Consequences of my actions, now I know we had no second chance. I'm known to get it happening, so you probably got a better man. Hope you find your homie and happy, it'll be better. I succeed in my mission, if you bet against, bet again. My mission, my focus, intentions from hoping, intentions on coping. Price of pain, now I'm closing, it don't help cause I'm smoking. My mental overloaded, all about who the closest, how I give them my growing. But I feel that's why I'm going wrong. Lately I've been holding on, dealing with my problems, soul searching, trying to find some peace. But I'm who they call, they saw they drama. Demons finding me, probably just cause they know I'm the doctor. They been lying to me, ain't the thing them niggas really proud of. They ain't dying for me, I'm counting blessing. Yeah, stand for lesson. I ain't told them me no weapon if I go is destined. Cause I got a loony, yeah, it's my protection. Whole lot on my mind and I'm trying to keep my mind sane. Smoking on that fire thing, looking at my mind fine. Know that they don't feel it, still make a song about my pain. Feeling like the villain, so I stop like what am I saying?